It amazes me how many people don't take the time to stop and ask if it's normal or it makes sense to shut off your stomach acid for a prolonged period of time. Because that's basically the first question I had when my doctor put me or prescribed me a PPI and said, don't worry about the instructions on the box. You're going to stay on it for 6 months. The first thing I do is I read the instructions on the box and it says, don't take longer than 14 days. And if I had found this stuff, a friend of mine told me about it at the beginning, I probably would have never had to have gone on those PPIs the doctor put me on because your stomach is supposed to be an acidic environment. That's what breaks your food down into like absorbable nutrition, helps you digest your food. And if you've ever taken a PPI, I don't have to tell you, but they totally wreck your system. And after a while, I was telling my friend about all the problems I was having, and he said, "Have you ever tried papaya?" And I'm like, "I have never even tasted papaya. I've never had it." And he's like, we ought to look into it because it's supposed to be like really good for your gut. And I was like, okay, whatever. This is just the next thing of 100 things I've already tried to make myself feel better. But I went ahead and went to Dr. Google and I was reading on a lot of Reddit forums actually. And the one thing that always popped up in those forums was, papaya really helps me. Try papaya. I use papaya. And I was like, okay, well, maybe there's something to this. And so it turns out in my research, I found that papaya has this enzyme in it called papain. Papain is a proteolytic enzyme. It just means that it specifically breaks down proteins. And so, if your stomach is already pissed off and anything you put in it basically causes it to shoot acid up your esophagus and in your mouth and in your sinuses and it burns up your throat. The last thing, you want to do anything you can to take some of the workload off of it and soothe it and make life easier on it. And so what I do is I just take a scoop of this. I've been using this for a couple of years now. The place I get it, they include the scoop. You take a scoop and you put it in just 1 or 2 ounces of water. You don't want to put it in a lot of water because, like I said before, you don't want to dilute your stomach acids right before a meal. Those acids are there to help you break down your food. And so you just put that in 1 ounce or 2 of water. You drink it right before a meal. And ever since I started doing that, I don't have any reflux. I don't have any aching, that dull aching that I get. I don't have any of that. I don't have like that prolonged, over full, bloated feeling that would last for hours. I don't get that. And the great thing is about the papayas, it's pretty fast acting. So if I forget to take it right before a meal and I eat and I have a problem, if I take it right after the meal, within 15 minutes, I'm feeling better. 15 minutes, I'm all good. And so now it's been a couple of years. I am completely off my PPIs. I don't take any antacids, no OTC meds, nothing like that. All I do is I just use my papaya. So hopefully, if you struggle with GERD or reflux and you don't already know about the amazing way that the papaya works, this video finds you and you give it a try and it provides you some relief. I know when I was at my sickest, I would have tried anything, and I wish I had found this sooner. This you can get papaya anywhere, by the way. You can eat it fresh if you want. It's kind of hard to find sometimes, or always have it on hand if you're using it regularly, but you can use it fresh. You can use anything, but this is the one that I like that works really well for me. I don't like to go with anything in a capsule because you don't know how long it's been sitting there. I like to go with this because it's freeze dried. It's one of the best ways to preserve the enzymes that are in the papaya. Because if you get something in a capsule and it's all dead enzymes, then you're just wasting your money and time and it's not going to work for you. So I like that it's freeze dried, it's organic. I don't know if you can see it on there, but it's just one ingredient, organic papaya powder. And so if you want to try the same stuff that I use that works so well for me, I will leave it linked right down here at the bottom of the video. And hopefully you do try it and it gives you the same relief it gives me.